Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video, and today I have with me the new Secretlab Titan Evo 2022 version, and it's finally here after all this time. They've launched it a couple of months ago and they've given it to all the beautiful people, all the pretty influencers, and now it's finally my time to give you guys a proper review. I mean, I've tested out so many chairs and I hope I can give you guys as much information as possible to make your decision on whether this chair is the one for you. So today we're going to check out this chair, find out what's the new features, the new colors, and overall if it's something that's worth buying and worth sitting in, if it's comfortable or not. You know, ergonomics is becoming a very important part in our lives these days as we work from home. But that being said, if you guys want to know more about this, do visit the Secretlab website. And if you do plan on buying it, do use my affiliate link in the description below. I do get a small commission which really helps this channel to grow. So thank you guys once again, and let's get on with the review. Now, first of all, the most striking thing is the color. I mean, check it out. I have the mint green color, not my typical color, but I thought I would go crazy a bit this time and check out their pastel series. So the series includes a couple of colors, including the plush pink, the frost blue, the arctic white, the original cookies and cream, as well as an all black version, and of course, the mint green that we'll be checking out today. So if you don't know by now, they have made some very drastic improvements to the way the headrest cushions are installed. Now, this technology isn't something that's new, it's just innovatively done and integrated into the chair that I've not seen in any other chair. So it's a magnetic strip that allows you to magnetically attach the cushion onto the backrest. This allows you a lot more micro adjustments, and it also eliminates the need for a strap, which, let's face it, gets loose after a while and looks pretty untidy. So this magnetic portion of the backrest only reaches so far up to the bottom of the logo. I wished it went all the way down to the lumbar area, so that will give you an option to have the cushion at your lower back in case you want that added support. Now, speaking of the lumbar support, they've done some pretty great improvements. Now, previously I did mention that the lumbar support on the 2020 version wasn't great, you could barely notice it, and they've made some improvements since then to the depth in which you can push the lumbar support out, as well as the adjustment of the lumbar height. Now, these adjustments, I must say honestly, are not extreme, but they are enough to give you a sense of comfort, and it really depends from person to person. So I would advise everyone to go down to the showroom to try it out for yourself, sit on it for a couple of minutes and see if it's something that you like. The one thing I do have to say about this new lumbar support system is that the knobs aren't at the best position. I know they're designed that way because mechanically it's the best position for you to adjust it, but in terms of the reach and the angle in which your arm has to bend to reach it, it's kind of in an awkward position. So I don't know if that's the best way to do it. Maybe you just need to adjust it the one time and you're good. But to me, I think that's something that could be improved on. After all, you are going to have to be sitting in this position while you're adjusting it, and it's just a very weird position for that knob to be in. Alright guys, so I just noticed something while I'm editing this video and sitting on this chair. The lumbar support right here makes a lot of this squeaking sound, probably because it's a plastic backing that's flexible so that you can adjust the lumbar support. But just wanted you guys to hear it for yourself, and it's something for you guys to consider. Now, moving on to the armrest, we still get the typical 4-directional armrest, which gives you the ability to raise and lower your armrest, as well as swivel the angles and move it from front to back. Now, there is a new feature with the pads on the armrest, which is a magnetic system, which allows you to remove the pads to exchange it for a new one in case it gets worn out. This is an option that gives you a bit more flexibility in terms of maintaining your chair, but I don't see myself changing the pads on my armrest anytime soon or anywhere near the future. But it's good to have that option anyway. Now, moving down to the seat. Now, these seats, as per the old Titan version, is the bucket seat style with a much wider seat, which allows you to sit cross-legged, and that's always good for people like me who like to sit cross-legged sometimes. And the new thing about this Evo line of chairs, the Evo 2022, is that it comes in different sizes. Now, I did complain about this in my previous video about the Titan 2020, where I said the seat depth was a bit deep for short people like me. So I'm glad that they're coming out with different size options to fit different people. I got the small version, which really fits my legs really well. The seat depth is just nice, and I feel a lot more comfortable in this chair compared to the Titan 2020. Now, lastly, with this size, I must say that this chair is a lot more compact, and I really appreciate that, especially in a tight space like my room. And the chair is actually lighter because of less materials being used on it to fit my size. And overall, I feel that Secretlab is moving in a direction where it's fitting to more customers and actually listening to their needs. Now, I do encourage everyone to really try out the chair yourself. If you can, visit a showroom or try out a friend's chair and really sit in it for a couple of minutes and see if it's for you. You shouldn't just listen to a single review or just see the options online. Try it for yourself. A chair is something that you invest your money and your time in, and it's something that you're going to be sitting in for a long time, so really think about it. But if you do think that this chair is something for you and something that you want to have, you can do this channel a big favor by ordering it through the link in the description. We do get a small commission from it, and it helps to grow this channel a lot. So a big thank you to everyone out there who has been using my affiliate link all these years, and a big thank you to Secretlab for sending this chair out to me for this review. I'm very impressed with the new improvements, and I hope to see more in the future. But that's all for me. I hope this has been informative and helpful for you guys in making your decisions. As always, like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.